What I like about Caterpillar engines is they're simple, their simplicity, they're easy to work on, and they're built for what we have, right, for our purpose.
Our relationship with Caterpillar started back in the beginning in the drilling industry. When the area first started, we were utilizing Cat rental equipment on the drill rigs, which then transferred into the production equipment, utilizing them for compressor engines and eventually backup power for sites.
On this site, we have three 3516s, and the highest houred one on that is about 50,000 hours. But we do have another location here in the New York area that are from the 90s, and so they're well over 100,000 hours on them.
Repsol chooses Cat engines based on them being the market leader in natural gas compression engines, as well as having the technology for the ultra lean burn engine, being one of the only manufacturers in the business to complete that. That allows us to have a low net capital cost on input and have a long production life cycle.
This is a 24/7 operation we have, and we need responsiveness from a dealer, and Cleveland Brothers does that.
We've increased productivity and efficiencies with Repsol by working closely with them and looking down in detail, basically their business model and how they use the product. We look at oil change intervals, we look at their sampling, the way they run their engines to be able to predict their scheduled maintenance. That way they can be overhauled at the proper time.
Yeah, the impact of having that data allows us to plan accordingly, so we know exactly how many head swings, how many engine overhauls we're doing each year. We could acquire parts and have things on site accordingly.
We'll do a complete overhaul, and we'll pull the engine out, and we'll take it down to their rebuild center, where they'll take the whole engine apart, and they actually let us come in and look at the parts that we take off and reassemble it and put it all back together.
Caterpillar's typical overhaul frequency is around 50,000 hours. We were able to extend that out to about 85,000 hours.
The reliability and durability of Caterpillar is unmatched. I think our customers recognize that, and then the support that they get when something goes wrong. We have a problem with a part, some sort of warranty issue. Caterpillar is here to support that customer hand in hand with the dealership. They've got an engineer out here, they've got a parts expert out here.
They want to know certain information on parts that we're having issues with, and get direct feedback right to them so they can resolve the issue and hopefully get it fixed and get parts back to us. If we need technical support, they'll be here next day. If we need a part, we can get it as soon as possible next day. They're very quick and responsive, leading to minimal downtime.
Actually, with the 3600s, what was nice about those is they were a new engine, newer design when they came here. The Atom 4 technology that they had with it. Cat was right there to help us out, and we had techs on site regularly trying to help us. If we had any issues or any problems, they were there to help us out.
And that just lends itself to an improved reliability over time that nobody else does better than Caterpillar.